In front of me is POCO C75, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Then hit Emergency Contacts. Select Add Contact and click on the one that you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To remove one of them, hit this X next to the chosen one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To change order of them, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Drag your contacts that you wish to put lower or higher and hit Save. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!